you solve the cross on the bottom, you are able to look for your first F2L pair and you don't need to flip it. Say I solved the cross and I saw that pair and I can just insert it. You need to memorize the 4 colours with the white on the bottom to be able to solve the cross in 8 moves or less. So you just memorize blue, red, green and orange. So orange opposite red and green's opposite blue, and it does take you some time to learn it, but it really helps. Ignore the center pieces. So if you have a case like that with a blue and white piece there and it needs to go there, many people just take it out and put it there, but in my opinion that's not very good. So ignore the center pieces, and I see the blue goes there, can go there. If you turn that, the blue can go there, then you can just turn it back. So ignore the center pieces. Many people use the 3-move insert, as if you have a case like that, many people would bring it to the left and insert it. But in my opinion that's not very good. You can just do exactly the same thing with your right hand. So it wastes you 2 rotations to do that instead of doing this. Use one piece to insert another piece. If you have a case like this, you will put the orange in first, then you will just insert that. But in my opinion that's not very good. So if you have this case, you can use a piece to insert another piece. Say you insert that, but you can just put that in, then it just goes in. So it saves you a lot of rotation. Don't move the piece, move the cross. If you have a case like this, many people would take it out and then just insert it. But in my opinion that's not very good. So that again. Instead you can just move the cross and you can insert it. And it saves you about 5 rotations. Plan out the whole cross during inspection, as if you don't plan out the whole cross, you'll just start doing the 3-move insert instead of doing things like this, using a piece to insert another piece. Solve the cross slowly as you can look for your first F2L pair. Time for some walkthrough solves. So you can insert that piece by doing this, and you can use one piece to insert another piece. If you bring that, use a blue, then you can just do that there. Walkthrough solve 2. You can insert that piece by using one piece to insert another piece, like that. Then instead of moving the piece, you can move the cross and you can move it back.